pretty funny. They're wanting me to do wheelies. Got a cute little dog there. No, I don't do wheelies. Not driving down the road. I'm just not I don't know, I might speed a little bit here and there, go around corners a little fast, but I'm just not much on the wheelie popping. At least not yet. So I tried for a little while today to use Adobe Premiere to edit some video that I have. And I tell you what, you know, I must just be the dumbest person, or I'm just used to the easy programs to use. I use one on my tablet for some of the video, and it seems to work pretty well. I also use the YouTube Movie Maker, and that one's pretty easy to use. But the Adobe, man, there's just so many settings and so many things to play with on that one. You know, it's not just an easy thing to use. A lot of bikes out today, pretty cool. A lot of them waving. Neat old truck. They must have had a car show here, because I've seen quite a few of them all week. There's another one. So that sucks, but that don't. That's a good sounding car. So there's like a whole line of them. Pretty color. Pretty red. That one sounds real good. Boy, here you are getting a car show going down the road. That's pretty awesome. Back to where I was at in my story. Yeah, that Adobe, that thing is tough. You know, I sat there, that undo button got a lot of use this afternoon. After about 20 minutes, I pretty much gave up on the shit. It's just too fucking confusing. So I'll stick with the easy stuff. Hopefully it doesn't make my videos suffer. One thing I am worried about suffering is content right now. I'm kind of just recording driving up and down the same road going 60 miles an hour. You know, not really giving you much to see. I'm going to have to work on that. Have to get some ideas. Take a weekend and just take off somewhere and go do some things. Take you along with me. So they had this Scheid Diesel Fest, or Diesel Extravaganza, here in town, and boy, it just brought diesel trucks from all over, and it was kind of funny. I was sitting in a restaurant last night and looking out the window, and someone got pulled over. They had to pour out 4 cases of beer. Apparently they were underage. They let them go. I'm sure he got a ticket for something. But some of the people, you know, they're just blowing smoke everywhere, and you know, there's so many cops out. You know, there's an extra 200 to 300 cops, I've heard, around the area just looking for these guys to do something wrong. They even made an ordinance that if you have a diesel, you can't blow smoke. So personally, I own a diesel myself. It's not really an oil burner, but once in a while a little puff comes out. But they get kind of crazy and do stupid shit, and that's what gets them in trouble and kind of ruins it for everyone else sometimes. But, you know, they're having fun doing their thing, so it's all good. Looks like we're gonna pass all the cars again, maybe. Maybe I can get in front of them and let me pass them, or let them pass me, and give you all another show. Hard to believe back in the day that this is all you saw on the road for these kind of cars. I mean, they definitely weren't like they are now. They're pretty awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a car show there for a while. That was pretty cool. Passed them quite a few times, actually. Saw quite a few motorcycles today, which, you know, don't surprise me a day like today. It's great riding weather. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to hit the shit out of that like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that one. And I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that share. Start getting some of these videos around for me. Help me out. Give me your username, and I'll give you a shout out in one of the videos too. So have a great day.